What's up YouTube, it's Robo13. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jasmine application. This is a YouTube application for all the devices, but this works perfectly with the new iPhone 5 because it has the full 4-inch display taken care of with this app, as opposed to the Google YouTube app that comes from you can get it from the App Store as well, but that has not been updated just yet. So this one is perfect for right now. That works a lot better than the original YouTube app. Alright, so first I'm going to open up the regular YouTube app that you can get from the App Store, and you guys can see that it doesn't take advantage of the full 4-inch display. It still has the regular 3.5-inch display from the old iPhone, and just this is what it looks like. So you can go back into your regular thing. I like the way it looks. It's just that it's not really practical right now, especially with the 3.5-inch display. So let's see, you can go into your thing and then go into upload, so you guys can see your own channel if you want to that way. So I'm just going to play a video right now so you guys can see what it looks like when you start playing one. I'm going to turn it sideways, and it's this way. As you guys can see, it doesn't take advantage of the full 4-inch display, so it only has the video in this little boxed area, and it has these black bars on top of it. That's extremely, look how tiny that looks, especially on the new iPhone 5. Look, that's ridiculous for video viewing. So a quick comparison between that and the Jasmine application. I'm going to go back and go into Jasmine and play the same video. But you guys will be able to see the difference between this one and the other one. So let me turn on the auto lock feature, and then now you guys can see it takes care of the full 4-inch display. It's full screen. It doesn't have the black bars on top because this is a 16:9 ratio, so it looks actually good on the 4-inch display on the iPhone 5. I use this 10 times more than I use the other YouTube application because of this very reason. I can actually watch full screen YouTube videos from the Jasmine application versus the other application. So I'm going to hit pause on that, go done, and now you guys can see it also goes landscape mode right here. The full thing is landscape mode, and I don't believe that the YouTube application is landscape mode at all, actually. So let me get out of here. Let me try to turn it landscape without watching the video. Okay, stop. Come on. Go back. There we go. Can I turn it landscape? No, I didn't think so. So you can't actually watch these, or you can't actually use this in landscape mode either. So I'm going to go back into the Jasmine application, and here we go. So I'm going to go back and back again. You guys can see what it looks like, the very home screen. Back here, you got search, browse, favorites, playlists, subscriptions, and recently played. And let's see, I'm going to go into subscriptions. And then you can click on latest videos to see all the latest videos that people post right here. And so you can see all your subscriptions, all the different videos that people post. If you want to start watching one, you just click on it, and it'll bring you to this kind of a page where you guys can go down and see the comments. And you guys can see all the comments. This is Chimney Swift 11. If you guys have not seen any Minecraft videos, definitely go check those out. I like them the best on Chimney Swift 11, so go check that out. But this is down here. You guys can see you can rate it 5 stars. I don't really know why they were rated 5 stars, but somehow they have some kind of a rating system down there. But up here, you guys can go into the comments, and you can even one of the main things I hated about the other YouTube app was that I couldn't comment back to people. Like, I couldn't reply to them, and now you can do that in the Jasmine application. So if I go into search and I go ahead and search Robo13, hit done, it'll bring me to here. Let's say I just want to go into my channel. So click on one of my videos, go to my Robo13 channel, and say I wanted to reply to someone's comment on this video. So I go down to here, I go down to comments, and then let's see, I want to reply to this person. So I just hit that little button right up there, hit that, tap that, there we go, and just type whatever you want. And then once you're done, you hit return, and that will automatically reply it to that comment. Before, you wouldn't, let's see, delete that. I don't want to confuse that person. Let's go back. But before on the other YouTube application, you couldn't comment back to people. It was extremely annoying, especially when I wasn't at my computer and I wanted to respond to somebody really quickly. I couldn't do it unless I was using this application or my computer, and that was one of the biggest things I hated about the other application. But really, this application is just 10 times better than the Google YouTube app. But this is before Google has updated it to the new 4-inch display on the iPhone 5. So when they release that version, I will probably do a review of this versus each other, just to see if they changed anything, something like that. But hopefully they let you do stuff like that, like such as comment back to people. I don't think either one lets you go to your inbox though. Like this one, I don't think lets you go to your inbox. unless you can go through it this way. So if I go into here, go to my channel. I don't think you can go to your inbox on the Jasmine application. Now, I'm not sure about the YouTube application. Let's see. So if I go back, can I go to my... No, I don't think I can go to my inbox on here either. So I can't go to my inbox on either application. So that's kind of annoying on both of them. But for this specifically, it's the Jasmine application just blows the other YouTube application out of the water. I love this application. I use it on my iPad as well, so I'll show you guys that right now, actually. So as you guys can see here, I have my iPad 3, and I have the YouTube application and the Jasmine application, and I'll show you guys both of those as well. So the YouTube one is right here. Again, I don't believe this can go into landscape mode either, because this is actually using the iPhone version. So if you guys see, this is like really bad. So here's what it's supposed to look like on the iPhone, and then you have to hit 2 times to get to it. But it's literally the exact same application as the iPhone one. It's the same limitations as everything, especially if you go into like, if I try to watch one of my videos, let's see, go to uploads, then go to this video, and then I want to turn it, if this would load, there we go. So I turn it, let me turn this volume down. There we go. But you guys can see right here, you see the black bars on the sides, up in the top, and on the sides down here, because this isn't a full 16:9 ratio, especially because the iPad's not that ratio either. But they could have at least made it, widescreen, but they couldn't even do that because they are technically using the iPhone application, as you guys can see right there. They haven't even made an iPad version yet. So really, this isn't a good review between the iPad versions, but you guys saw it on the iPhone already. But that's what it looks like. It's not too bad, but it really isn't good enough at all compared to the Jasmine application. So I'm going to open up Jasmine, and Jasmine uses the full screen of the iPad. It looks amazing. So I'm going to search for Robo 13 once again. Hit done. Let's see, go into my channel, my recent videos. Let's click on this one and play. As you guys can see now, it is a full widescreen video because it says a 4:3 ratio. It's full widescreen. You guys can see the black bars on top, but at least it has it, once again, fully widescreen, and it's HD. It plays in HD. The other YouTube application would always drop down to like 240p sometimes. It was annoying. You couldn't really change it either. This one pretty much always plays in HD as long as you have the the right connection, like Wi-Fi or 4G or anything like that. As well, this one also has AirPlay mirroring really easily, so I can mirror that right to my Apple TV right now if I wanted to. And the old YouTube application, I don't believe has that. Let me go into here real quick. It does have it right here, but it doesn't always show up, and it doesn't always work. I remember using it before, and it does not always work. Especially, I think it actually looks worse on the other one because this isn't a full resolution on the YouTube application. If I try to mirror it to the Apple TV, I think it looks bad. But the Jasmine application uses it perfectly, and it just works. It really does just work perfectly. It's updated for iOS 6, so it works for everybody on iOS 6. It also uses the lower firmwares as well if you guys wanted to use that on your older devices. So I hope you guys like this review really quick. It was a quick comparison of the Jasmine application versus the YouTube application. Both applications are free, so go check both of them out and decide for yourself which one you like better. The YouTube application I'm sure will get updated soon, probably within the next few weeks, and I'll have another review on that one as well. Hopefully it'll take care of the entire screen, especially on the iPhone 5. But that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, which one you like better, the YouTube application or Jasmine. I personally like Jasmine better, except for the fact that the Jasmine sometimes crashes. It'll just exit out sometimes and you have to go back into it, or it doesn't load the video every time. But from the person who's created this application, they said just uninstall it and reinstall it, and that should fix some of the issues, and they are constantly updating it. So they actually just updated it a few days ago, and that fixed some of the crash issues. So hopefully both applications will get updated soon. I'll be able to do a full review on the YouTube application taking care of the entire screen on the iPhone 5, and hopefully they fix some of the bugs that I found on both applications as well. So once again, hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button down below if you haven't already, and also subscribe to me for new videos. The subscribe button's right up there. I do tech videos all the time. I'm going to be doing a lot more tech videos as well, so hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see all my new videos also. So that's it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.